Hi, I'm John Noter, Director of Government Affairs for ISSA, the Worldwide Cleaning Industry Association. This is your update of the top 3 legislative and regulatory topics impacting the cleaning industry right now and how you can get engaged. 2021 ISSA North America show, OSHA vaccine rule, and supply chain backup are our 3 topics for today. Number 1, we invite everyone to join us on November 15th through 18th for the ISSA North America show for a myriad of opportunities to engage and learn from our government affairs team and about the hot button issues, public policy issues facing your business and the industry. From cleaning products and regulatory update to what's going on in Washington and a legislative and regulatory update from the industry advocates. We'll also be hosting a happy hour at the show. So we hope to see everyone at the ISSA North America show in November. Topic 2, OSHA finally sends the employer vaccine rule to the White House for final review. This is the final step in getting the actual text and regulations related to the U.S. Department's of Labor's OSHA vaccine rule to the people so that we know exactly what's in there and what's going to be expected of both employers and employees. We expect that vaccine mandate will come down, and we will have specifics about that in the coming weeks, if not sooner. Third, the Port of Los Angeles is now going 24/7 to help with relieve some of the supply chain backup. We've heard from many of our members about supply chain backups. There's been numerous shipments being held offshores. And so White House officials met with the Port of Los Angeles, and they've agreed to become a 24-hour, 7-day-a-week effort to help relieve some of the supply chain bottlenecks. One of the things that ISSA is doing on this effort is also to support the bipartisan Ocean Shipping Reform Act of 2021. We realize that there are significant changes needed to be made to the international maritime transportation system, and this is one way that we see that there could be some relief coming in the near future. So with that, this was our Cleaning is Essential, 3 things you need to know right now for the week of October 22nd. If you'd like to receive ISSA's legislative and regulatory updates in our free e-newsletter, please go to issa.com/takeaction and sign up to become an advocate for clean today.